this color out in the sun. Looks beautiful. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. 46,888 miles on the odometer. Interior is absolutely gorgeous on this. Really, really nice. If you see any flickering or these little waves, that's just in camera. That is not in person. And any squeaking, it's just the seatbelt right here. You can hear it kind of making a little bit of noise. Some rattles from the top here. It's very subtle. Steering's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Yeah, I hear that vibration coming from up here somewhere. Shifting nice and smooth, suspension solid, applying the brakes hard. They feel good, no vibrations, no issues there. So you're gonna have those heavy vibrations in that top and then this little seat belt. Other than that, it's really, really nice. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So you do have PPF on the front bumper as well as the hood. Nothing here on the fenders, but you also have them on the side mirrors. Here on this wheel, you can see they have been repaired before. So you're going to see kind of where they like sanded down to repair all this. So you have like that nice gloss finish here, and then it's kind of matte. So they had rash, looks like that was repaired. I see it over here as well. So you're missing that really nice, pretty finish. It's kind of dull. Other than that, looks good. Middle looks nice. Typical swirls from just everyday washing. Side mirror looks good. A-pillar's clean. Kind of scanning that. That looks nice. Roof looks good. Door edge is clean. One little chip there. Lower rocker. You have a gash right here and right there. You can see that. You have film here protecting it. There is a ding right there. Let's see. Typical rock impacts. There's one here. Looking at that panel. Looks good. You have a gash here. Here on this wheel. Overall looks good. Actually, right here, now that I see this, see all the spots? Looks like some hard water spots in that section right there. Something might have splattered on it. So you're gonna see the texture. No film on the headlights. Clarity looks really good. Looking at this one as well. Nice and clean. Like I said, you do have film on that front bumper. Nothing on that light. Very clean so far. A little bit of rash on that lower splitter. You can see that throughout that edge. Otherwise, really clean. This is kind of yellowed. The fender looks good. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. Now you're gonna see, I don't know if those are cracks kind of in the clear or in that material. You're gonna see that throughout the spokes. Door looks nice. Little snag in the film. It's hard to tell if that impacted the paint or not. You get real close. Let's see, we got 2 chips there. Otherwise, that looks good. This is peeling up. Just a little bit there. Door edge feels nice. You get down low, you're gonna see the flaws there. You got film protecting here. The quarter looks good. This wheel, you're gonna have that kind of spider cracking look in the finish. And then a couple little scuffs. Tail light's nice and clear. Look at that carbon on that spoiler, looks good. That looks nice. Lower side of the bumper looks good. Exhaust tips are clean. Back of this looks really nice. Looking at that carbon, you're gonna feel a lot of texture in the clear on that. It's just an aftermarket piece. So it's really heavy in the texture, but the weave looks really nice. And that deck lid looks really good. Okay, let's check out the interior. This is a dark chocolate. Looks really, really good. Memory seating, handles nice and clean. A couple light markings there. Otherwise, it's really nice. Typical scuffs from getting in and out. Looking at that piece, a few little markings from the seatbelt. Here on that bolster, that looks amazing. You do have some wrinkles, a little bit of wear there, otherwise really clean. Upper section though looks really nice. You have some wrinkles here, otherwise very, very clean. Steering wheel has that matte finish to it. It's in great condition. Buttons look good. That looks nice. Kind of scanning through that upper side of the dash, I don't see any issues up there. Screen is in great condition. Those buttons look really, really good. That side of the console is clean. Very, very nice. Here on this panel, upper section, that looks nice. Couple flaws on the handle, but very subtle. That trim looks good. I mean, that's a really nice panel. That trim's in great condition. Looking at the bolster, super clean. Same here, but you do have some gashes along that edge from this seatbelt hitting it, and it looked like it snagged the leather a little bit. A couple light scuffs, otherwise that seat is in great condition. This side of the console looks good. Got a cell phone mount here. You have a little indentation in the leather there. Looking at the upper side of the dash, is clean. Looks like it had a dash cam of some sort, so you still kind of have the hardware there, but no dash cam. Alcantara top looks beautiful. Looking back here, seats look great. I see a little spot in the leather right there. Otherwise, really, really nice. Scanning through this, nice and clean.